Versentia Rouge. Ito, bibigyan natin ng review for tonight's video. So, si Versentia Rouge, ang price nito is I think 1,000 to 1,200 pesos sa marketplace. And the bottle presentation, ang ganda. Alam niyo na yung ginagaya kagad na perfume, which is your Eros. Okay? And gold ang kanyang cap, red ang kanyang bottle, may branding sa harapan, engraved and embossed actually, may printed branding and may sticker lang sa ilalim. Now, in terms of the opening of your Versentia Rouge, pansinin mo natin yung ating sprayer. Okay, ang ganda ng kanyang buga, ng kanyang atomizer. Okay, ang opening nito ni Versentia Rouge is maamoy makagad yung lemon and mandarin niya. Medyo spicy. I think it's brought about by the rosemary or the rose scent, and may pagka-vanilla and cedar siya. Okay, so ang sarap ng amoy nito ni Versentia Rouge. It's one of those scents na you can definitely use pagka medyo hapon or malamig yung setting, and for your date nights, for your dinner with your family or special someone. Okay, so this is something that you can definitely use. Now, in terms of the performance of this Versentia Rouge perfume, I used this earlier this afternoon and ganda ng kanyang performance. 4 hours nagpo-project siya, and then 4 hours to 6 hours medyo skin set na siya, and 6 to 9 hours nasa balat ka pa rin yung amoy ni Versentia Rouge. Ganun siya ka-potent and ka-long lasting. Okay, and then in terms of projection, around 2 to 3 feet, maamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, and it will create a scent bubble and sillage pagka naglalakad ka. Okay, so yun, in terms of the scent profile, I really like it. I'd rate it for me personally, scent DNA at 9 out of 10, and then for performance naman, I'd probably rate it at 8.5 out of 10. Ganun siya ka-sulit. Okay, so for 1,000 to 1,200 pesos, if you're into this kind of scent DNA, scent profile na medyo citrusy, na spicy, na medyo may pagka-warm din, this is something that you can always go ahead and try out. Okay, so yun na muna. Thank you so much for watching. If you have comments, by the way, or any feedback, please make sure that you leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!